Facing increasing pressure from Parliament, the Cabinet has announced plan to allocate 675 million euros annually in order to increase the salaries of healthcare workers in the Netherlands. The changes mean those with jobs in the healthcare sector earning middle incomes. Approximately 60% of the healthcare workers will see their salaries increase by 1.5%. The increase is being funded by a rise in health premiums, which means everyone with health insurance in the Netherlands will pay an additional 13 euros per year and an increase of 0.5% in the so-called income-related contribution, which is paid by employers, pensioners, and self-employed people. The House protested this decision, instead asking the cabinet to fund the policy by increasing corporate tax.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Uday Bodankar, Executive Director of Commonwealth Association for Health and Disability UK. I would like to compliment the Dutch government for taking the right step in right direction at appropriate time for rewarding the health worker by increasing their salary. This will set an example all over the world to be followed and to be replicated. I would like to salute the COVID warriors who have worked selflessly, tirelessly, dedicatedly, devotedly during the difficult time of COVID, risking not only their life but risking the life of their family members. Definitely, I want to salute all the COVID warriors of Dutch government and all over the world. Thank you.
COVID 19, as you know, the disease has really created havoc in the world. To our minds, four things have given us good success. The first one is the vaccines, second one is the wearing of the mask, third one is administration of oxygen to a patient who has decrease in his oxygen, and fourth one is administration of steroids. These are the four cornerstones of treatment, and as you know, all the healthcare professionals all over the world have done this extremely wisely, and they have risked their own lives and still given treatment to the patients, and they have saved their lives. What I mean by healthcare professionals is not only the consultants and the doctors and the paramedical staff and the nursing staff, the occupational therapists, the physiotherapists, the technicians, the radiology technicians, but I would go right up to the sweepers in the wards and in the OPDs. Because if they had not worked and if they had not given services, the whole healthcare delivery would have been in shambles. So it is my personal opinion that all the healthcare professionals who have done such a yeoman task in COVID-19 pandemic, and we have been fairly successful in decreasing the number of cases and certainly definitely decreasing the number of hospitalizations and severe COVID because of our good vaccination. These healthcare professionals must be rewarded, and the most important reward would be to increase their salaries. It may also be important to give them bonuses, and the living conditions in which the doctors live in many countries are absolutely in poor state, and I feel better living conditions and better facilities is the need of the hour. Giving a small example, people who are working from home, say the IT professionals, no doubt technology is needed today, but they work from their home, and so they were safe because their salaries were protected, and they were safe because they were also protected from getting COVID. They did not expose themselves. Whereas doctors, nurses, and all these health professionals were at immense risk, and risking their lives, they went ahead to save the lives of their patients.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Manasi Sagdev. I'm a homeopathic practitioner working in the Hague city of Netherlands. I got news yesterday that Dutch government has decided to give salary hike to their doctors, to their medical workers, and I find it very great news because past 2 years were really very difficult for each and everyone here, everywhere in Netherlands, in India, in other countries, and the doctors have given their great service to the society. And that's why this is the great decision of Dutch government to show their respect for doctors and their medical staff. I wish everyone, all the governments should follow this criteria. All the governments should show their respect to this medical group, all paramedics, alternative medicine practitioners, doctors, practitioners, general practitioners, and by any means, by giving them security of by each and every way. In India, we have seen that many doctors were attacked because of the death of relative or any other reason. Please stop doing that, because doctors are giving their everything to the society. So I wish that we all show our respect to the doctors. Also, I would like to add in that in India, Ayush Ministry has promoted alternative medicine in a very right way during these COVID times. So all the alternative medicine practitioners, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, Chinese medicines, they have also worked a lot during this period. We must show our respect to all of them. And I would also like to say thank you to all those doctors and also to Dutch government who has taken this decision.
Thank you so much. This is Pranita Deshpande from The Hague for the Free Media.